Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Jamel Gibbs here. So today I went and saw a property this morning where I made multiple offers to the seller based off of what he told me. So let me tell you a little bit about this deal. So basically, we received this phone call through RVMs. And for those of you who don't know what RVMs are, they're ringless voicemail messages. So we received some phone calls. This was a couple of weeks ago. My acquisition specialist, he was talking with this potential seller, and ultimately we negotiated a price over the phone. And this is a $110,000 house. We negotiated a price over the phone for $60,000. So my acquisition specialist normally would make an offer over the phone. We would send out a contract to the property owner, and then once we send out that contract, the property owner would sign it, and everything is done over the phone. This particular seller needed a little more attention, so what we did was we set up an appointment for me to go out and actually see the property, which was a good thing. It turned out to be a real good thing because of the way I was able to get multiple offers into the one seller. So today I went out and I saw the property, and it turned out to be a real nice property, and it didn't need a lot of work. The only thing that was really wrong with the property was it was dated. So his parents lived in a house, they passed, and he inherited the property. But other than that, mechanically the house was in great shape, and cosmetically it just needed updating. So as we were walking through the property, he told me that he was considering renting the property, and then he was going to consider selling the property. So that's when my radar went up, and I kind of read in between the lines. So I asked him, I said, based off of, I said, I can pay you cash for this house, but let me ask you a question. What are you looking to do with the money? Or if you were to make money on this property every single month, would you be up for something like that? And he said it's definitely possible. So then I said, here's what I can do. I can make you 3 different offers. I can make you a cash offer, which you'll make less money on up front, but you'll get all your money up front. Or if you're willing to, based off of what you told me and what, I'm just listening to you speak, based off of what you're saying, it sounds like you want to make money on this property every month. You're looking for some cash flow, right? And he said, yeah, I would like to get some cash flow out of the property because it's paid off, which was another key indicator of another offer that I made. So basically, he told me that the house was paid off, and then he said that he was also looking for cash flow. So I said, I can make you a cash offer, but let's say you wanted to, make money every month. You want to make cash flow. I can also offer you what's called a lease with an option to purchase on this property. But you also mentioned that the house was paid off. So I can also offer you owner financing. And I explained to him the differences between owner financing and lease options. And I explained to him that, with the lease option, he would need to foreclose. With the lease option, he would need to evict me as a tenant if I stopped paying. But with owner financing, he would need to foreclose if I stopped paying. Also, I explained the benefits of owner financing in the sense that he would make interest on the money, whereas during a lease purchase, it would be a set amount for a certain amount of time. I said that I would do an amortization schedule where I can pay off the house in 5 years with owner financing, but on a lease purchase, I would be renting the property for a certain amount of time until I decide to exercise my option in the property. So in essence, as we're walking through the property and he's speaking, all I'm doing is asking him open-ended questions. Like, what are you looking to do with the property? What are you looking to do with the money? Things like that, just to get an idea of what it is that he's looking for, so I can create the win-win situation. So all I'm doing is continuously screening the seller over and over again, getting him to speak and talk about what it is that he wants, so I can address the situation. Hence, I'm a real estate investor, but I'm a problem solver first, right? Well, let me take that back. I'm a marketer first, then a problem solver, then a real estate investor. And that's the way you guys need to think about your real estate investing business as well. You're a marketer first, you're a problem solver, and then you're a real estate investor. So I was able to make multiple offers, and I do this a lot on properties based off of what the seller tells me. But it's important to listen to what the seller tells you so that you can know how to address their situation. Because once you can address their situation, solve their problem, then at the end of the day, you'll be able to really make an offer based off of the seller's needs. And then that's how you get more deals. So the moral of the story today, what I wanted to share with you was, I was able to make multiple offers. Initially, we went in with a cash offer on the house, but I was able to make 2 additional offers based off of the seller's needs. Now, we didn't lock up the deal today. The seller wants to speak to his attorney about it, and sometimes, and I'm not saying all attorneys, but if they're not investor-friendly attorneys, they can be deal killers. So that's another story for another day. But the long story short, what I'm saying to you is, listen to what the seller is telling you. Ask questions that's gonna allow you to help the seller, and then address the situation, address the problem, and that's how you're gonna ultimately get more deals. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought about today's video. This is a different style video than what I've been recently doing, but I really wanted to get this message across to you, to be open to not being so much of a cash offer type of investor all the time. You got to be willing to open up and be willing to address the seller's needs in order to really make deals happen. By you doing that, you're going to be able to do a lot more deals than the average investor, because you've heard me say this before, you're not going to be a one-dimensional style investor. You're going to be open to many different segments, many different aspects of the real estate investing business. So leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys thought. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click the notification bell for more videos just like this one. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Take care.